Read it, speak it, write it, sing it, come and be right. Reach across the world.
Welcome to Bato Patumba! Ako ang inyong lingkod, si Tito Louie! Handa na ba kayo? Ngayon, here's Mary Grace!
Where do you study? I study in Bagong Diwa Elementary School.
Yay! Salamat, Mary Grace! At salamat din. Ngayon, alam na natin kung saan sila nag-aaral. Sila naman kaya ang magtanong sa inyo? Pag narinig ninyo ang... Sagutin nyo naman sila, ha? Ready?
Where do you study?
Tama ba ang sagot ninyo? Alam ninyo, kapag tinanong kayo ng where do you study, pwede nyo rin sabihin kung anong baitang na kayo. Halimbawa, Mary Grace, where do you study?
I study in Bagong Diwa Elementary School. Grade 3 na po ako.
Sa Ingles, I'm in grade 3.
I'm in grade 3. I study in Bagong Diwa Elementary School. I'm in grade 3.
Very good, Mary Grace. Very good. Subukan natin si Rap Rap. Hello, Rap Rap. Rap Rap, where do you study?
I study in Pag-asa Elementary School. I'm in grade 2.
Hi, I'm Mark. Hello, I'm Alex.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old. And you?
I'm 10 years old.
Where do you study?
I study in St. Joseph College. I'm in grade 5. How about you?
I study in NCBA. I'm in grade 6.
Halika, talim pa tayo.